How's it going, guys? It's going off grid. Today we're going to be replacing this old analog thermostat with micro air EasyTouch. And first thing we do is you take the faceplate off and it reveals two screws. This is a Coleman unit, and here's the brand of the thermostat itself. And we're just going to replace this and then go through the features of the new thermostat. Alright, so I have the furnace shut down for this, and I am going to start removing these screws. Wouldn't be a bad idea to actually throw the breaker or pull the fuse for your for the furnace, but I will not be doing that. It looks as though all mine are just moretted on the inside. So that makes this installation very easy for me. I don't have to desolder anything here. It's all moretted on the inside of this wall. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so now we've got all the wires into the new controller. We have them all color coded going in. I had actually my blue wire was actually two wires, and they actually both fit in no problem into the same spot if twisted together. And so now I am ready. Looks like it goes this way. Gotta be careful not to put too much tension on the actual connection itself. I should be able to put this in now and mount it to the wall. I'm going to make sure it covers all the holes, and yeah, figure out how to turn this thing on. Okay, so now we got the mounting hardware in, and they got this nice little, almost like the little tie wrap in between that gives you your distance in between, and then you're supposed to cut that off. Cut that. There's one side. Turns now. There we go. The other side cut. This should mount right in there. Oh, I'm a little low on my... Got a little bit of the holes showing up top. I used the original holes, or one of the original holes. I might have to readjust it, but for now we're going to go through the features. If you touch it, it gets brighter. Alright, so I think I got this thing figured out. So right now, if I turn it on, I only have air conditioning or fan. Those are my only two options. So for me, I got to go in and go to this setting here. That's the three different colored bars: blue, like a yellow, and a green. And there's my heat source. There's a heat pump, heat coil, and a furnace. And I'm going to enable the furnace. Actually, no. Enable. There we go. And now it's enabled. So now I should go back, power on, turn that to furnace, and now I have full control over the temperature. It's saying it's 71 in here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. It says it right in the corner. Actually, I'll show you on my phone. So I am connected to this through my phone. I'll actually do the rest of the controls through my phone. I called it the, see if you can see that, off-grid trailer. We click that. It loads. And that's it. We are now connected. I'll zoom out for you guys here. There we go. So I can set the temperature with this, and you'll see that that goes up. There's 75. Touch the screen just so you can see it. So this is connected through Bluetooth. You can see that it's showing we have the furnace enabled. And let's see here, it's on auto. So it should be turning on soon. There we go. Just turned on. And the numbers went red, I guess to indicate that it is in fact on and heating the trailer. That's pretty neat. I really like this feature, but this isn't even my favorite feature. So this is the Bluetooth feature. This is all fine and dandy, and it's pretty nice that you have a Bluetooth feature so I can be outside my trailer. If I decide that I need to put my kids to bed soon for a nap or something like that, I can turn the AC on, I can turn the heat on, I can see what temperature it is in here, I can turn it up and down according to well, the temperature inside. I don't even have to come inside and risk waking the kids up. But the one I really like is the Wi-Fi. So this can connect to my wife's phone. I'll have her phone, her hotspot on, so it's broadcasting internet to this. And when it does that, I can be out on the lake boating, doing whatever. I can have everything off in the trailer because this is a solar powered trailer. I can be saving all the power I can. It'll get nice and hot in the trailer. It's no big deal. We're not here. I'm gonna have the windows open, or maybe I'll have them closed. I don't know. But before I come back in, I can pre-cool the trailer by turning the AC on with this, because it's hooked up to Wi-Fi through my wife's phone, so I don't have to be in range. I can be anywhere I want. So that's a pretty cool feature, man. Pretty excited to try this. So the heat is definitely working. Everything's working. The install was extremely easy, and yeah, I'll have to show you the Wi-Fi feature next. Alright, so to connect to Wi-Fi, I'm going to do it all on my phone. You can also do it through here, I believe. Yeah, see, they have Wi-Fi here. You can do it through here. Router not connected. It's just telling you all that stuff in here. But I'm going to do it through my phone because I'm already connected and it's easier. So we got Wi-Fi settings. I'm going to click that. Then we can type in the name of the network. Okay, so I think I've gotten everything figured out on this little touch screen here. As you can see here, I'll zoom you guys in. Well, the green mark right there is showing that we are connected to Wi-Fi. You can go into settings here, click Wi-Fi, and it'll tell you router connected, strength moderate, internet connected. How's all that good stuff? There's my Bell network name and everything. And we are also connected through Bluetooth. But we don't need Bluetooth, so here's my phone. We are connected currently through Bluetooth on my phone. So if I go down, it goes down. If I go up, it goes up. When this Bluetooth signal or this Bluetooth icon, that's when it updates. So it's like every, what, 3 or 4 seconds, every 3 seconds. So I'm going to shut off my Bluetooth. Let's see, can I do that in here? Wi-Fi, no. Oops, let's go back. Shut my Bluetooth off. So I no longer have Bluetooth on. Now it's showing Wi-Fi. So I'm going to try turning it down, 61, and it worked. So this, I don't even have to be even remotely close to this trailer. I could be 200 miles away, I could be 1,000 miles away, and I can still control everything in this trailer. So I can go power off. There we go. We're completely off. Nothing's being used. Power on. This is all through Wi-Fi. We're going to turn the heat up to the point where it actually starts. Let's go 75. There we go. Just turned on. I'd say that was a good, I don't know, 30, 40, 45 seconds to turn on. Maybe you just want to make sure you weren't playing with it and still doing stuff. So the furnace just turned on. I'm going to turn this back down to, let's say, 65. So this should be in the off position. Now, how did I do that? Somehow I turned this to Celsius. There we go. I just double tapped the icon there and it turned right to Celsius. Tap it again, goes to Fahrenheit. Wonder if I can do that on the Doesn't do that on the app though, only on the screen itself. I do like how it turns red when it is heating. It'll let you know on your phone when the furnace is on and off. Yeah, it looks really good. Pretty happy with this. Anyways, we're going to have to do some more testing. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys later.